Good morning, children. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. So, children, today our subject is English and topic is Introduction of letter U, capital letter U. So, children, today we will learn capital letter U. So, this is your English, that is literacy book, and in this book you have to open page number 120. So, this is your page number 120. So, let's start. So this is capital letter U. This is capital letter U and this is small letter u. Capital letter U and small letter u. And the sound of letter U is A. A. Now children, let's see the words that begin with letter U. So U for umbrella. U for umbrella. U for upstairs. U for upstairs. U for uncle. U for uncle. U for underwear. U for underwear. U for up. U for up. U for upside down. U for upside down. So we'll do one more time. U for umbrella. U for upstairs. U for uncle. U for underwear. U for up. U for upside down. So now turn the page. Now come to the page number 123. So children, this is your page number 123. So what we have to do in this page, circle the words that have U. So children, here you have to circle the words that have letter U. So let's start. So now children, here you have to find out the words that have letter U. So first picture is in, first word is in. So we will not circle this word because that have not U. Now again this is inside, so we will not circle this. Now this is under. This is under. So here is U. See, this is letter U. So we will circle this word like this. Now this is outside. So here is letter U. Can you find letter U here in this word? Yes, this is letter U. So we'll circle this word. Now this is on. This is on. So we'll not circle this. Now this is off. So we'll also not circle this word. Now this is up. This is up. So here is letter U. So we'll circle this word because it starts from letter U. Now this is upside down. Upside down. So this is letter U. So now we'll circle this word. Now last is upstairs. Upstairs. So upstairs start with letter U. So we'll circle this word because that words have letter U. So children, in this way you have to complete this page. Now I'll tell you how to write capital letter U. So now take out your English notebook. So children, this is your English notebook. So you have to write letter U, your English notebook. So you have to start from the top. So you'll start from here. So you'll start at the top and do a line down and then move, curve and then go up. Go back up. So in this way you will write letter U. So we'll do one more time. So we'll start at the top. Start at the top and do a line down and then move a curve and then go back up. So in this way you will write capital letter U. So children, you have to practice capital letter U in your English notebook. So this is your homework. Now take out your handwriting book. So children, this is your handwriting book and in this book you have to open page number 26. So this is your page number 26. So you have to start from this dot. So let's start. So you have to start from this dot. So you have to make a line. You have to make a line down, then move a curve and then go back up. So in this way you will write capital letter U. So we'll do one more time. Start at the top, do a line down, then little curve, and then go back to up. So in this way, you will write capital letter U. So children, you have to practice letter U in your English notebook and in your handwriting book. So children, that's all for today class. Bye-bye. Take care.